If you look at the end, there is a street light. If you look at the end, there is a street light. Street light. This is along NDWARU Road. This is along NDWARU Road. Now, NDWARU Road, for about 200 meters, it is total darkness. If for 200 meters, it is total darkness. But if you look at the end, you will see some street light. You will see street light where the vehicle is coming from. There you will see a street light. Now, what is happening here is that street light is around 100 meters east. That street light is 100 meters east of a gym. There is a gym where young people practice. So even the stage there is called gym. Now what you are seeing there is a street light. That street light, there is a transformer at that place, 100 meters east of gym along NDWARU Road. That is where the transformer is. Now what happens daily is that around 6:30, because of a heavy peak on electricity, every evening for 1 week at 6:30, the lights go off this side. Now you can see all this side, there is no street, there is no electricity. It is just dark, and it is people's residence. Now at 6:30, the transformer where you can see the street light, at 6:30 p.m., the lights go off this place. When it goes off, when the light goes off, it will come back the following day at 10 a.m. It goes out and comes at 10 a.m. Now this is what happens. What happens is that when the transformer was placed there, let me talk figuratively. You can see all this place is dark. You can see these are houses which are all dark. Houses are all dark. Now what happens is that, let me talk figuratively. That is a flat, that is apartments without lights, from 6 p.m. to 10 a.m. every day for 1 week. Now what happens is, when the transformer was placed there, let me talk figuratively. Let us say the houses were 700. Now if the houses were 700, they placed there a transformer that deals with, 1,000 houses. Now it has gone, currently the houses are 1,500. So in the evening, when it picks up, when there is a pickup in the electricity, then it goes off. I talked to the Kenya Power technicians who came. That transformer, it's a bit dark. I would have gone there to write down the serial number of the transformer. So this transformer, it was placed there when there were, figuratively, the houses were 700. And it was placed there a transformer that needs 1,000 houses. Now the houses are 1,500, meaning that when it was placed there, the transformer was the houses were 700 and the transformer was for 1,000. The houses are surpassed that. The houses are now 1,500. And when I talked to the Kenya Power people, they said that, when I talked to the Kenya Power technician, they said that they want a meeting between the landlords and landladies with them. And asked what about, they said, so that we can replace the transformer with a transformer that, let's say, takes 2,000 places. I talked to some landlords and landladies. They said, if Kenya Power knows that there is there is a need for a bigger a bigger transformer. Just like if you are using this rod with a Nissan of 14-inch, and you find you have so many you have so many travelers. You don't call travelers and tell them that they should do some harambe so that you can they do some harambe so that you bring a minibus. No, you just bring a minibus. Now, if the Kenya Power finds that this transformer, houses have been built more than the transformer can withstand, why don't they replace the transformer with one which one can withstand with that? You will find that although now it is August and schools are closed, but when the schools are not closed, this is the time when in the evening students do their homework. And about this recording was done at 4 a.m. And around 4 a.m. is when people are waking up to prepare to go to school or work. But Kenya Power is waiting for a meeting between landlords and them to decide which transformer has got to be placed there. With those remarks, my viewers, there is a till number there. You can place there something. May God bless you, my viewer, both in the country and out of the country. May God bless this great channel, and may God bless all of us. Amen.